Places like Southeast Asia and the Caribbean are the biggest problem. Philippine reefs are in really bad state. The Japanese reefs, particularly those around Okinawa, are gone. Many of the reefs in the Caribbean, Jamaica, Haiti, Dominican Republic, they're in really bad state. I'd add to that Florida, Sri Lanka, India, the east coast of Africa, those reefs are in bad state. Basically because people are overusing reefs and exploiting them too heavily. There's too much stress on coral reefs by human populations.